Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the built-in vertical GPU mount in the NZXT H500i. The H500i comes with a vertical GPU mounting bracket, so the only thing you need to mount the GPU vertically is a PCIe riser cable. But just because you can doesn't mean you should. So in today's video, we're going to take a look and see what it takes to mount the GPU vertically, and then run some benchmarks to see what performance impact mounting the GPU vertically has on the system. The PC we're going to be using is my latest build with a Ryzen 7 2700X and an RTX 2080 Ti. So let's go ahead and get started on the project and see how it turns out. So as you probably noticed, I ended up having to move my SSDs to fit the GPU on the vertical bracket, because the PCIe riser cable actually interferes with the SSD mounts on the power supply shroud. It's not a big deal to move the drives, but it's something you may want to keep in mind if you're going to be doing this yourself. So now that the vertical GPU mounting is complete, it's time to test the system and see how it impacted GPU performance. I decided to use Unigine Heaven to test the GPU. I let Heaven run for 30 minutes to stress test the GPU, and then I ran the built-in benchmark, and here are the results. The horizontal mount gave us an average clock speed of 1695 MHz. When the GPU was mounted vertically, the clock speed was dropped to 1575 MHz. For temperatures, we saw a max temp of 79 degrees with the horizontal mount, and a max temp of 86 degrees with the vertical mount. This is a significant difference and explains the reduction in clock speeds. Even with the reduced clock speeds, we only saw a 6% drop in frames per second, going from 215 FPS with the horizontal mount to 202 FPS with the vertical mount. So what have we learned with this project? Well, it should not come as a surprise that placing your GPU's intake fans right up against the side panel of your case is going to negatively impact the performance of your system. I do like the way it looks, but to me it's just not worth the performance hit, and I'll be taking my GPU back to the original orientation. Well, that's it for this one, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave me a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.